Welcome. Let us begin. Fill your brain with giant dreams so it has no space for petty pursuits. Dream as if you will live forever. Live as if you will die today. Yesterday's dreams are often tomorrow's realities. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. I dream my painting, and I paint my dream. Dream what you dare to dream, go where you want to go, be what you want to be. Make the action to move closer to your dream the first action you take each day. To accomplish great things, we must not only act, but also dream, not only plan, but also believe. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thought is the labor of the intellect, reverie is its pleasure. I paint objects as I think them, not as I see them. A man is not old until regrets take the place of dreams. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. I have learned that if one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to live the life he has imagined, he will meet with a success unexpected in common hours. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I am a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us and the world will live as one. To understand the heart and mind of a person, look not at what he has already achieved, but at what he aspires to. Study while others are sleeping, work while others are loafing, prepare while others are playing, and dream while others are wishing. Ambition is a dream with a V8 engine. You see things and you say why, but I dream things that never were, and I say why not. Freedom is the word that the human dream feeds on, that no one can explain nor fail to understand. I don't paint dreams or nightmares, I paint my own reality. I don't dream at night, I dream all day, I dream for a living. A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. We are such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is rounded with a sleep. Thank you for your time. Stay strong.